Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 13, ways to multiply and divide. In my previous video, we have solved the sums which are given on page number 172. We did the Santram's special cook. Here I have given you a work to solve this sum by your own. Then this we have solved years of years, question number B, and question number C and D. Again I have explained you and I have given you to solve the sum at your home and the homework. Now I also told you about the answers for this. The answer for answer number C is 8760. How much liter? If in the 8760 liters of milk the baby elephant will drink in 2 years. And a blue will double D. The answer was about, the answer is 48,400 liters of milk. 48,400 liters of milk the blue whale will drink in 8 months. Okay. Now students, we will see further what is given in the further exercise. Karunya the contractor. Karunya is one contractor. Contractor is a person who gives the work, who takes the work and who solves, does the work by some help of the laborers. Karunya had kept the work to prepare 3 gardens. Contractor have taken the work to prepare 3 gardens. Here the gardens are given: garden number A, garden C, B, and garden C. Garden A, B, and C. Here the dimensions of the gardens are given. The length is given and the breadth or width is given. According to that, the questions are given to us. Let's see what are the questions. Find the area of all the 3 gardens. Now find the area of all the 3 gardens. Now what is the area? Let's see. First of all, we will find out the area. 28 into 27. First one is here, 28 into 27. 27. The measurement of B is 36 into 12. Into 12. The third one will be 19 into 27. 19 into 27. Now we are supposed to find out the area. In area, what we are supposed to do? We are going to multiply in the area. This we have done in our previous lessons. Now let's see what is the area of the first 28 into 27. The area here is 756. Next is 36 multiplied by 12. 432. 36 multiplied by 12 will get 432 square meter is the area of garden B. Garden C is 19 multiplied by 27. That is 530. 13 square meters. So now here we have find out the area of the garden A, B, and C. Now let's see what does the question tell. He kept the work of garden A at the rate of rupees 95 for a square meter. Garden B at rupees 110 for a square meter. And garden C rupees 120 for a square meter. How much amount will he get for this whole work? Now we are supposed to find out that how much amount will he get for the whole work. Now let's write down in the notebook what is that given. Heading we will see page number 173. Okay, now we will write down the detail little bit. What is the detail given to us is, we will first of all write down the area of all the three gardens. Area of garden A, that is 756 square meter. Area of garden B is equals to 432 square meter. Area of garden C, that is 513 square meter. Okay, now rate of work for garden A, we will write down rate of work for garden A is equals to rupees 95. Now we will write down amount received, what he will get, amount received by the contractor. Amount contractor will get is equals to 95 multiplied by 756. So we can multiply 750 by 95. Let's multiply. What is that? 756 multiplied by 95. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3, 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28, 8 2 carry, 5 7 are 35, 35 plus 2 37. Putting 90 multiply by 90, so we'll put a 0 here. 9 6 are 54. Well, 9 6 are 54, 4 5, 9 5 are 45, 45 plus 5 50, 9 7 are 63, 9 7 are 63, 63 plus 5, 63 plus 5 68. We will add 0, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 8 11 7, 71,820 rupees. How much he will get? The contractor will get for doing the work of this garden. He will get amount, he will get 71,820 rupees. So contractor will get. Okay, now the second one we will see. This was the first one. Now let's see about the second garden. Okay, the second garden rate was, rate of the garden of square is area is this. Rate of work for garden B, rate of work for garden B is equals to rupees, how much it is? Rupees 110. Now what will the amount the contractor will get? Will get is equals to 110 multiplied by, what is the area? Amount will be 432. 432. Now let's multiply. 432 multiplied by 110. 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Taking 10, so putting a 0 here, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Again taking 1 here, 100 multiplying by 100. So we'll put 2 0. Okay. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Now adding it up. 0 2 5 7 4. So here he will get 47,520. What will that? The contractor will receive will get rupees 47,520. 47,520. Okay. Now the C here taken the rate of the garden C is how much? 120. The garden C is 120. Now let's see. C1 we will do. Rate of work for garden C is equals to how much? C is equals to rupees 513 per square meter, isn't it? This is area and the rupees, what the rupees was is 120. Sorry, the rupees 120. Amount contractor will get is equals to area 513 multiplied by 120. Now let's multiply. 513 multiplied by 120. Okay. 0 3 is 0. Now taking 2 here, 20. So with 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Taking 100. So putting 2 0, 1 3 is 3, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Now adding up this 0 6 5 1 6. Okay, so here is 61,560 amount received by contractor. Amount contractor will get. Okay, the amount contractor will get is rupees 61,000. Now how much amount will he get for his whole work? Now again this whole we are supposed to add it up. So how much he will get for his whole work, amount received by the contractor for the whole work. In that we are supposed to add all the 3 amount he received, isn't it? All the 3 amount he received, that we will add it up. Now let's see. First of all, now we'll write down amount contractor will get for whole work is equals to what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to add it up. Okay, what we are supposed to do? We are adding up. So what we will add? 71,820. The first one is 71,820 plus the second one was 47,520. 47,520 and the third one was 61,560. 61,500 what was it? 60. Now we will add it up. 0 10 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 9 19, carry 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, 1 carry 1 plus 7 10, 10 plus 80, 1,80,900 rupees he will get for the whole work. We will write down The contractor will get 1,80,900 rupees for his whole work. Okay students, now I hope you have understood this whole sum. Okay, the whole sum as I have written, you are supposed to also write down in your notebook. Okay, this whole sum as I have written, you are supposed to write down in your notebook. This is the solution of the first sum. Now let's see what does the other sums tells us. Now here Tulsi and her husband works on Karunya's garden. Karunya pay rupees 250 to Tulsi and rupees 258 to her husband per day. If Tulsi works for 49 days, how much money does she get? If her husband works for 42 days, how much money does he get? Find the money they earn together. Okay. Now they both as husband and wife are working at the contractor's garden. The contractor pays Tulsi rupees 225 and the husband 258. Now the days are given. Tulsi works for 49 days and husband works for 42 days. Now how much total amount they received, that we are supposed to find out. So first of all we will find out about the amount received by Tulsi. Okay, sum number 2 it is, isn't it? We'll write down the B, sum 2. Okay, amount received amount Tulsi gets, I will write get per day is equals to rupees, how much it is? 225. Tulsi work for how many days? Tulsi work for 40, work for 49 days. Total amount Tulsi will get is equals to what we are supposed to multiply, isn't it? 225 multiplied by 49. Now let's multiply 49 days. 9 5 are 45, 5 4 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 22, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 22. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 22, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 20. Okay, 20 25. Now 40 multiplying 40, putting a 0 here. 4 5 are 20, 0 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. What is 0 to multiply? 5 2 0 11. 11 does not 11,225. So we'll write down Tulsi will get rupees 11,025 for her work of 49 days. Okay, now Tulsi's husband. amount get per day is rupees how much? Rupees 258 is amount 258. Now he works for how many days? He works for 42 days. Okay, amount he will receive, he will get is equals to 258 multiplied by 42. Now let's multiply. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now putting multiplying 40, 4 2s are 4 8s are 32, 2 3 carry, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 23, 3 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 6 adding this 3 8 1 0. Okay, so 10,836 rupees he will get. What will done? Tulsi, he will get rupees 10,836 rupees. Okay, he will get 10,836 rupees for how much days he has worked? He has worked for 42 days. For 42 days. Now next is find the money they earn together. Money they earn together is equals to Tulsi worked for 40 days. How much Tulsi got? 11,025 plus 10,836. Now add it up. Five plus 6 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 8 1 2. Totally they earn 21,861. Money they earn together is rupees 21,861. Okay, understood students? Okay, so today we have done till here of this sum till here, sum number 1 and sum number 2. Understood? Okay, so you all are supposed to solve this sum in your notebook.